It's 2025 and yet another AI chatbot has been released, and it's even more reliable and game changer than all chatbots. Its name is DeepSeek AI, and with its release, many people have started worrying about their future, thinking that AI would replace them. And with the launch of DeepSeek, it seems like a last nail in their coffin. But what if I tell you that after watching this video, you will become future proof, and instead of AI replacing you, it will make your life even easier. Doesn't matter if you are a programmer, content creator, freelancer, or any professional. This video will be your guide about how to use DeepSeek AI in a way that will make your projects easier. Let's start this video by understanding what is DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to assist users in a variety of tasks. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, but with capabilities that go far beyond just answering questions. It can help you with research, content creation, data analysis, coding, and even personal productivity. The best part, it's designed to be user friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Now, if you might be thinking how it's different from other AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Bard, let me tell you that DeepSeek AI is built with a focus on deep learning and adaptability. It not just answers your questions like GPT and Bard, but it's designed to actually solve your problem. It has the capability to understand your needs and provide solutions. Whether you are learning something new, automating repetitive tasks, or anything, it will make your task even much easier than before. Now let's get started with DeepSeek AI. First things first, you will have to visit their website deepseek.com, and there two options will pop out: download app or sign in. Click on sign in, and don't worry, it's a quick process. Just enter email and password or just continue with Google. It's even easy. Once you have signed up, you will be greeted by a clean initiative interface. And this is not something that will make you run away from DeepSeek AI. Here are some options: Deep Think, R1, or Web Search. We'll explore this in a while. And there are some features in DeepSeek that make it a problem solver, like natural language processing, which means it would generate responses like you are asking something from an intelligent human. It will provide detailed, accurate answers of complex questions. Another feature is content creation. Like if you are trying to write blog, script, or anything, it will generate your results in minutes, and the script will be according to your tone and style. And if I talk about data analysis, DeepSeek works like a professional, whether it's creating trends, data visualization, or reports. Like it works well for someone who is in the field of marketing, finance, or research. And don't forget about coding assistance. Like it's offer much coding assistance for developers. It can debug code, write new functions, and even explain complex programming concepts like a teacher. And it's also a game changer in personal productivity, like managing calendars, staying organized, and prioritize important tasks. These are just a few features that make DeepSeek AI so versatile, but the real magic happens when you use all these features in combination. And trust me, it will save you from a lot of headache. Let's talk about some practical applications of DeepSeek AI. Imagine if you are a student, you have a textbook to read and you can't understand what's explained in it. DeepSeek has got you here. It can summarize your books. You just have to enter some details regarding book. Like when I enter the prompt saying, then you can see that it gives me a detailed summary, or if you want a precise one, it can also give it. This is just one example, but the possibilities are endless. And to give you a better idea, I will have to give you some real life examples. Let's say you are a content creator and you need to write a blog post about the latest tech trends. Here's how you can use DeepSeek AI to make the process easier. Step 1: Generate ideas. Start by asking DeepSeek AI to generate a list of trending tech topics. It will give you a variety of ideas to choose from. Step 2 is to outline the blog. Once you have chosen the topic, ask DeepSeek AI to create an outline for your blog. It will suggest sections like the introduction, key points, and conclusion. Step 3. Write the content. Next, use DeepSeek AI to write the content. You can either write it yourself or ask the AI to refine it, or let the AI generate an entire draft for you. Step 4. Edit and optimize. Finally, use DeepSeek AI to edit the content and optimize it for SEO. It can suggest keywords, improve readability, and even check for grammar errors. And using this example, you can apply this principle to almost any task. You just have to identify your problem and then think about DeepSeek as your friend sitting in front of you. You would tell them your problem, and then the real magic happens from there. Here are some tips to get a better experience. Be specific with your prompt. Like, instead of a dull prompt like write me a blog, try saying write me a 1,000-word blog about the latest AI trends in 2025, and experiment with all the features like deep learning R1 or web search. And if it doesn't give you results which you are looking for, try to provide a feedback. DeepSeek has the great ability of learning from feedbacks and generating you best result. By following these tips, you will be able to unlock the full potential of DeepSeek AI and use it to its fullest extent. And if you are curious to know about how to use ChatGPT in such a way, just watch this video in which I have given 5 real applications of ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so we can keep bringing you videos like this. Thank you.